Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon. Nikon D3300. It is the best entry-level DSLR cameras in the market. Now I am going to show you how to use this model. In this tutorial video, I am going to basics how to use this camera. It is a camera bag. It is waterproof. In this camera, 24 megapixel. Now I am going to show you. This is a HDMI port. Is easily data transfer to laptop or computer. It is a micro SD card. It is 16 GB. You can easily source more photos. You can push and rotate. Zoom in and zoom out option. This is battery sections. This is Nikon battery, 7.2 volt, 1200 milliampere. This is turn on and turn off button. I am going to turn on. Before taking photos, the lens is fully open and off. This is my take picture. This picture is very sharp and clear. Very clear picture. It is camera dial mode. It is video record button. This is info button, and this button is plus minus, and you show the aperture sign on the side of this button. When you use the manual mode, this is three options. The first one is shutter, second one is aperture, and third one is ISO. So I am going to explain what these buttons features. I am first of all set in manual mode. The first one is shutter. The shutter option is open. The camera shutter. Its benefit are it is easily capture eye movement object. The second one is aperture. Aperture is the most important of one of the three buttons, simply because it affects so many different variables of an image. It can add dimension to your photograph by blurring the background, and it also allows to explore your image by making them brighter or darker. The third one is ISO. This is a FN button. The press FN button and continuously you can rotate the this button. You can easily change the ISO. ISO is simply a camera setting that will brighten or darken a photo. As you increase your ISO number, your photo will grow progressively brighter. For that reason, ISO is a good tool that help you capture image in a dark environment or be about your aperture and shutter speed setting. This is menu button. How to change settings in this camera. I can show you. This is video setting, image setting. Go to menu, movie setting. The image quality you can change easily, in which format you can use. This is a movie setting. Life is full of surprising, joyful moment worth remembering. The D3300 makes it fun and easy to preserve those moments. It's lifelike beauty they deserve. Its stunning 24 megapixel photos and 1080 pixel full HD videos. The D3300 photos can appear instantly on your compatible smartphone or tablet for easy sharing with optional. 100 will bring you endless joy, excitement and memories just like the special moment of your life. Thank you so much.